Hey Ryan, I decided to make a quick video for you. You weren't getting back to me, so I'm going elsewhere today. I might be able to pop by in the afternoon actually though, today. So I'm visiting a friend out in your neighborhood anyway. So I assume this is what you're looking for. Now, in order to get that, there's no video at all on YouTube about this for TJs. After you install the lights, you take off your, obviously I have no blinkers anymore. I took it off the outside one, but you basically find your signal wire with a test light, which one's the flasher one, and you connect it to the wires. You have the wiring diagram that came with the lights. You do that on both sides to get those halos flashing, and then for the DRL you go to the daytime running light relay and you take off the wire. In my case it's is that a red with a purple, I think it looks like, and you run that as your feed for the DRLs, and then you run a jumper wire across to the other side. That's basically all there's to it. The only thing, two ways to do the wiring. You can either cut the wire, which I try to avoid. You can splice into it, I guess, if you want, or what I did is, if you take a large sewing needle, or if you have a pick tool, just take the actual connector out of the plug itself. That's how I did it. And then you just connect it there with a proper male connection and shrink tubing, and then that seals it all up. So that's how you do that. Let me know if you have any questions. Again, I'm there in the afternoon. Also a friend of mine, he's an electrician, he's done his own lights. He actually lives up in Camp River. He could actually pop by as well if you needed to. Okay, bye bye.